Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Dear learners, we are discussing today the perfect continuous tense. As I have already told you that we are discussing these tenses in simultaneously. Simultaneously mean at the same time. We are discussing present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, and future perfect continuous. Uh, Perfect continuous is having two tenses in it. One is perfect, that is completed, and other is continuous, that is still continuing. So present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, and future perfect continuous. As you know, we have already discussed about the syntax, and now we are going to understand with some of the examples. Let's have a look. खिलाड़ी 4 घंटे से फुटबॉल खेल रहे हैं. खिलाड़ी 4 घंटे से फुटबॉल खेल रहे हैं. दिस इज प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस. खिलाड़ी 4 घंटे से फुटबॉल खेल रहे थे. दिस इज पास्ट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस. एंड खिलाड़ी 4 घंटे से फुटबॉल खेल रहे होंगे. सो दिस इज फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस. सो लेट्स ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. लाइकवाइज वो दोपहर से पतंग उड़ा रहा है. वो दोपहर से पतंग उड़ा रहा है. दिस इज प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस. वो दोपहर से पतंग उड़ा रहा था. दिस इज पास्ट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस. वो दोपहर से पतंग उड़ा रहा था. दिस इज पास्ट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस. लाइकवाइज वो दोपहर से पतंग उड़ा रहा होगा. दिस इज फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस. वो दोपहर से पतंग उड़ा रहा होगा. दिस इज फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस. So let's have a look. Before we move on, I would like to tell you that there are two types of time. One is called period of time and the other one is called point of time. For period of time we use for. We use for. And for point of time we use since. Period of time means that we do not know when the work was started. When work was started. And point of time tells us exactly when was the work started. Let's have a look. With the help of example you can better understand. खिलाड़ी 4 घंटे से फुटबॉल खेल रहे हैं. 4 घंटे से. This is the period of time. We do not know which 4 hours are they playing. So that's why we use for. And let's see in this sentence दोपहर से. So this is point of time because exactly we know the time when he started that activity. So खिलाड़ी 4 घंटे से फुटबॉल खेल रहे हैं. The players have been playing for 4 hours. खिलाड़ी 4 घंटे से फुटबॉल खेल रहे थे. The players had been playing for 4 hours. खिलाड़ी 4 घंटे से फुटबॉल खेल रहे होंगे. The players will have been playing for 4 hours. So you saw that we made in present perfect continuous, then in past perfect continuous, and in future perfect continuous. So likewise, वो दोपहर से पतंग उड़ा रहा है. He has been flying kite since noon. He has been flying kite since noon. वो दोपहर से पतंग उड़ा रहा था. He had been flying kite since noon. He had been flying kite since noon. Likewise, वो दोपहर से पतंग उड़ा रहा होगा. He will have been flying kites since noon. He will have been flying kite since noon. So you saw that when the sentence was the players have been playing football for 4 hours. The player had been playing football for 4 hours. Likewise, the player will have been playing football for 4 hours. So just we change the helping verbs. In the first sentence we use have been playing. In the second we use had been playing. And in the third we use will have been playing. So you have to understand the concept of perfect continuous as well as the concept of present, past and perfect. In the start maybe you will find difficulty, but if you will start understanding, so hopefully the tenses topic will become very easy for you. But you have to stay on the platform. Likewise we are discussing, you have to understand the concept. Likewise वो दोपहर से पतंग उड़ा रहा है. He has been flying kites since noon. He had been flying kites since noon and he will have been flying kites since noon. Now we can see these sentences negative. खिलाड़ी 4 घंटे से फुटबॉल नहीं खेल रहे हैं. The players have not been playing football for 4 hours. खिलाड़ी 4 घंटे से फुटबॉल नहीं खेल रहे थे. The players had not been playing football for 4 hours. खिलाड़ी 4 घंटे से फुटबॉल नहीं खेल रहे होंगे. The players will not have been playing football for 4 hours. Let me repeat the sentence. The players will not have been playing the football for 4 hours. Likewise this one. वो दोपहर से पतंग नहीं उड़ा रहा है. He has not been flying kites since noon. वो दोपहर से पतंग नहीं उड़ा रहा था. He had not been flying kites since noon. वो दोपहर से पतंग नहीं उड़ा रहा होगा. He had not been. He will not have been. Let me repeat the sentence. वो दोपहर से पतंग नहीं उड़ा रहा होगा. He will not have been flying kites since noon. Now we can discuss these sentences in interrogative. क्या खिलाड़ी 4 घंटे से फुटबॉल खेल रहे हैं? Have the players been playing football for 4 hours? क्या खिलाड़ी 4 घंटे से फुटबॉल खेल रहे थे? Had the players been playing football for 4 hours? क्या खिलाड़ी 4 घंटे से फुटबॉल खेल रहे होंगे? Will the players have been playing football for 4 hours? Likewise, क्या वो दोपहर से पतंग उड़ा रहा है? Has he been flying kites since noon? क्या वो दोपहर से पतंग उड़ा रहा था? Had he been flying kites since noon? क्या वो दोपहर से पतंग उड़ा रहा होगा? Will he have been flying kite since noon? So these were the sentences in present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous and future perfect continuous. As well as we have discussed the concept of period of time and point of time. When period of time is there, we use for. When point of time is there, so 4 घंटे is period of time. दोपहर से, that is point of time. So when period of time is there, we use for. When point of time is there, we use since. So I hope you have understood the topic, and if there would be any query, any question, any confusion in your mind, you can ask. You can ask, and we can solve this problem. You can subscribe the channel, and you can press the icon of bell button. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself and the people.